quarter of the game. Last 7 minutes of the ball game. Number 5. 15 on the shot clock. Number 28, Amiz, leading by number 7, Reyes. Number 10 for Paul Coutinho. Coutinho number 10. The 10 fading away, Miss Wada, rebound by number 28. Reyes. Same ball. What a good defense by Violet. Number 6 all the way, but this is not Leah faking, kicking it up to Paul Coutinho. Paul Coutinho is fouled by number 28, Virai. Virai that will be the first personal foul, first team foul. Warning number 28 for delaying the game. Binigay. Habib Magada, Binigay drives. Number 6 fading away, misses again. Reyes stops the ball out of bounds. 8 minutes and 2 seconds. 33-30. Shout out to the man on camera, Mr. Matthew Reyes. Number 6 fading away again, and he misses the ball again. And we have a whistle foul on number 10. Deloria that should be a third personal foul, first team foul for Team Violet. That is a defense. Coutinho, the pass was too strong. Reyes breaks. Hermanes. Number 7, 3 points. Paul Coutinho. Defended by number 5. Paul Coutinho fading away. We have a foul away from the ball. Foul number 10. Substitution. Balansag. Hermanes, number 7, back number 5. Hermanes second through. Basket count. 38 and 30 in favor of Green team. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Long 3 by number 7, cracks that one. Hermanes, 38 and 33. With 6 minutes left in his ball game. Number 7 again misses this time around. Number 7 drives the floater, miss. What a good tap to Hermanes. Hermanes pulling up. Basket counts. Making this crowd roar. No, making anti-roar. Number 7 drives. And he has fouled hard. And number 7, substitution. Both teams 2 fouls left. Number 7, that is your third personal foul. Sorry, miss. So the next, the second one. 14-34, 6-point lead in favor of Green. 10 on the shot clock. Di Mailuguan, pass to Reyes. Reyes missed that one. Rebound by number 8. To Palgotillo, and we have whistle foul on number 8. Holding foul. Substitution. Third personal foul, third team foul of Green team. Number 2. Foul number 8, couple with your fourth personal foul. One for penalty, Green team. Missed a back jumper. Same ball. Deserve to Palgotillo. Palgotillo forces the one in. Putback. Time out. New team. (14:96), a 4-point ball game, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Again, thank you to all you guys watching us here. This event is been organized by the Dubai Police Positive Spirit Council and also the support of Jammer Sports and our officials, Mr. Nino, Mr. Ian, Mr. Julius. Montenegro, 10 on the shot clock. Di Mailig drives it to number 21. 5 on the shot clock. Miss. Violet ball, substitution. Binsol taking that one. No good hit by number 20. Montenegro. What a good move. Johnny A. Pass it to number 8. Di Mailig, but this is out. And the ball will be awarded to Violet. Substitution. Out number 20. In number 28. Viray. Number 7 to number 24, Bakastas. Traveling violation was called on number 24. Two minutes and 37 seconds. A 4-point ball game in favor of Green team, Di Mailig. To number 28, back to Di Mailig. 10 on the shot clock. Di Mailig. What a pass! Underneath the basket with that friendly bounce to Valencia. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Offensive foul was called on Aniedes. You extend your elbow, sir. It's very clear. Aniedes, that will be your 4th personal foul. 10 on the shot clock. 5. Di Mailig. Miss. Basket for 2 by Valencia. Number 7 speeding up. Number 7 lefty. Miss the ball again. Diba by number 7. Dave Leon. 1 minute and 43, 44-36 in favor of green. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot
Good
clock.
service from Team Lycan. Received to the
Leon missed the one.
outside.
Rebound by number 3, fresh 14. Mahilig has by number 24. 8 on the shot clock.
Number 17
Five.
again on the
Di
service
Mahilig
line.
stops. To
The good serve, onto the
Alagano.
first, set to the back, saved by
Rebound by number
Theo
3.
Bianca gets the ball, Ate
again.
Blanc spikes it. Kinuha ni Ate,
Ten.
sineti Ate to the likod. So outside.
Miss 3. 18 Bastakas.
Score is
50 seconds.
16-6
Binsol.
in favor of Lycans. Once again, we would like to thank Positive
Valencia.
Spirit Community Council and Dubai Police
Pinay, it
for
will
this
be easy
such
to
event that we
makes it a
have.
10-point ball game, 46-36.
Make sure to post your pictures and videos on Instagram, Facebook,
Okay, next
TikTok for a
game,
chance
Mr.
to
Player.
win.
Peckham versus Barsha
iPhone,
Community.
iPad,
Wala
MacBook,
Pinay.
have a lot of cars, all courtesy by Dubai
Number
Police.
10, reverse. Shotgun is off, 20 seconds.
Back to the ball game. Number 17 from Lycans again on the service. Si number 4, naku po si Ate Ali
10 seconds.
nagreklamo. Bakit naman dagdag ng commentator? Ay, naku ate. Ba't di ka naglalaro?
Congratulations.
Punta ka dito sa court.
Team Anonymous
Si
for
Ned,
winning
ni
this
ate,
game.
si Ned. Si number 17, dinalit ni ate from the back row. Ang ganda na receive ni Ate Ali doon, no? Pinalo ni ate, dinatig ate sa open for the spike. Down the line, Trisha, rumikip ka dyan. Trisha, bumalik ka na po, Trisha. Outside ka, Trisha. Pinangabol mo si Ate Ali. Ano ba? Naku po. Ate again on the service. Nilisip ni Ate Ali po. Ang ganda nun. Ate Bianca to the number 4. Sila sa likod at no good na po. Dead ball. Dead na siya. Score is now 17-7 with a 10-point lead for Lycans. Papalo na ba si Ate Ali? Papalo na ba siya? Ate, papalo ka na? Number 13, lucky number 13 on the service line. Ang ganda ng earrings mo, ate. Mga basura po, pakipick up this lang. Ako po, let us clean up after ourselves. Claygo, ika nga.
21. Valencia.
Dalawa yung ball. Ate, on the service. Nireceive ni Ate Ali pa. Ang ganda, di na gumalaw si Ate Bianca. Oh. Good pa yung bola. Dulo. Oh, ayan. Ate Bianca, iset mo. Kay Ate Clang. Ate Clang, ipalo mo yan. For the open. Pinosport touch ball. Point for Team Pirates. Nagko-coach na po si Ate. Ate Ali, nireceive din na naman gumalaw si Ate Bianca. Ang ganda ng setup ko, Trisha! Trisha, ang ganda ng set sa'yo ni Ate Bianca, oh. Ate again on the service for Pirates. Nireceive ni Ate magandang earring. Si Ned sa 4. 4 for the cross court. Setter to the 4 again. Bring up ball to the long ball. Ate Ali was right there. Bianca for the drop. Sayang. Good hustle daw. Good hustle. Ate again for... dito pala si Tep. Hi, Tep. Naku, huwag ka mag-distract. Huwag ka mag-intay. Ngiti ka dyan. Naku, yung receive mo yan. Yan. Good ball. Center to the open for the down the line. Bianca, center to 3. Shy, paano mo? Naku po, Tep. Sayang. Good luck, Tep. Go, kaya mo yan. Palo mo yan, Trisha. Ang ganda ng set sa'yo. Ate Clang on the service line ng strong serve. That is an ace. Score is now 19-11. Ate 13, kinuha yung bola. Si Ate Bianca, sunod ka. Ate Ali, nice fake! Naku po, ang galing ng fake mo doon, Ate Ali. Kakaiba. Ate Clang again, service. Napakalakas naman. Ayusin ni Ate. Binalik ni Ate kay Ate Trish. Naku, Trisha, ayusin mo yan. Trisha! Ang galing mo doon. In fairness. Sinarvisan ni Ate Clang. Binalik, babalikin. Ate Clang, nirisi ka Ate Bianca. Ate Bianca, for Ate Ali, cross court. Si Net sa open ulit. Ate for the cross court, kinuha na Ate Clang. Naku, Ate Ali, take mo with the lefty. Ate center to the four. Fourth for the cross court. Ate Clang ulit. Grabe na medyo Ate Clang. Trisha, naku! Trisha, hindi tayo isa dyan. Iting isa, dali. Score is now 21-12. Ang lakas po ng service na yun. Ate Ali gives it back to the service area. Center gives it to the fourth. Four for the cross court. That is a kill. Ang ganda ng palo mo doon, ate. Score now is 21-13 in favor of Michael. Good service. Binisip ni Ate Sinet kay Ate Ali kay Trisha. Trisha! My bad guys. Trisha, ayusin mo yung pang-receive mo guys. Nakaka-heart attack ka daw, Trisha. Ate Bianca on the service. Kinuha ni Ate nasa likod. Sinet ni Cuatro for the fake. Ate Bianca again. Sinet sa open with a drop. Kinuha ni Ate Center. Gives it back. Kinuha ni Ate magandang earrings for the fourth. Ako si Ate Ali with the cross court. Ate Tef, binalik. Meron po tayong double violation. Score is now 23. 23-12. Ako po, ayan. Binalik kay Ate magandang earrings. Ate Bianca for Ate Ali. Ate Ali, dinulo kay Ate Tef. Si Net so open for the cross court. Sumabit pa sa net. Ako, iset mo daw for the open. Si Ate Earrings nag-skyball. Si Net sa open ulit. With the back for Net. That's the cross court. (23-14). 9-point lead led by Micah. Ate on the service with the strong serve. Kinuha ni Ate Ali. Kinuha ni Ate Earrings. Ayan, si Net ni Ate to the middle with a drop ball. Nandun si Ate Ali do. Ate Ali for the follow with a fake. Ate Gumaha. Ayan, sayang. Tek, habol tayo bola, Tek. Tek, kaya mo yan. I believe in you. Nako, Trisha. Trisha talaga. Trisha! Oy, pumasok ka dyan sa court, oh! Si Tef, binalik yung bola with a skyball. O, Trisha, binalik kay Ate Bianca. Ate Bianca sa kay Ate Earrings. Outside. Ayan. Light Pirates for the serve. Trisha, receive. Uy, ang pangit doon ng receive mo, sabi ni Ate Bianca. Nako, Trisha! Dumipisa ka dyan, Trisha! baka may tao doon. Careful, isa-isa lang daw po. One more again for Ate Ali with the drop ball. Binalik Ate Trisha again. Ako, for the open, sinet ni Ate Ali outside. Service again from Pirates. Pirates! Ginawa ni Ate Yings maganda. Ako, binalik. Pasok ang bola. Uy, pa. Fourth touch violation. And congratulations to Team Lycan for winning our game 6 of tonight. Nako, Trisha, ayusin mo daw yung receiver.